The next one is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns that are used to indicate nouns in a sentence. This, that, these, those are the examples of demonstrative pronouns. Let's take some examples. This is the pen I was looking for. Here, this is a demonstrative pronoun and it is being used to indicate this noun in the sentence. In the next example, that is the watch I bought yesterday. Here, that is a demonstrative pronoun and it is being used to indicate this noun in this sentence. This and that both are used to indicate the noun in singular number. But what is the difference between both of them? This is used to indicate that noun which is near to the speaker, whereas that is used to indicate that noun which is far from the speaker. In the same way, these and those both are used to indicate plural number of nouns. But again, what is the difference between them? These is used to indicate those nouns which are near to the speaker, whereas those is used to indicate those nouns which are far from the speaker. The next one is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are those words that are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, whose, what, and which. They are the example of interrogative pronouns. For example, who is at the door? Here, who is an interrogative pronoun. Whom are you writing to? Here, whom is an interrogative pronouns. The next one is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those which reflect upon or go back to the subject, or you can say self form of personal pronoun is called reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object in a sentence both are the same, means the doer of the action and the receiver of the action in a sentence are the same. For example, he hurt himself accidentally. Here we see that the doer of this action is he and the receiver of this action is the same. So here we have used the reflexive pronoun he himself. He hurt himself. They quarreled among themselves. Here themselves is a reflexive pronoun. Myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves are the example of reflexive pronouns.